Alright guys, Mark Colbert, Speed of Cover Finish Network. So today we have a really small job on a 2017 Mustang front bumper. The car is really low mileage, but it honestly looks like it's been driven behind a salt truck its entire life and has a lot of rock chips. So as you can see guys, we already got this bumper sanded down. We already did apply our adhesion promoter. And we're going to be going ahead tonight, we're going to be applying some 2K primer surfacer or primer filler, whatever you want to call it, over this and try and fill some of these imperfections and then sand it out. Alright guys, that wraps up for the Mustang bumper. Everything came out really good. We went ahead and wet sanded the primer with some 500 grit to give our base coat an ultra smooth bed to lay in. And then after that, we went ahead and we did 2 medium wet coats of the base coat with 1 drop coat. Let that flash off for 20-30 minutes. And we did 3 medium wet coats of the production Glamour Clear. And as you guys can see, it came out really nice. Nice, smooth, even finish. High gloss, looks really good. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.